Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to log in Bask bank account. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in baskbank.com. Press enter. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the official website of Bask Bank. You'll be able to find several options over here. If you do not have the account yet, you can click on the option Get Started and create the account for yourself. But if you already have the account and if you want to log into your account, click on the option Login that you can see right over here on your screen. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the login interface of Bask Bank. From here you'll be able to log in to your account. All you have to do is enter your username and password. So click on the field of username and enter the username over here. Likewise, click on the field of password and enter the password. If you have forgotten your password, you can click on the option Forget Password and you'll be able to recover it. If you have already written the password and if you want to check it, you can click on the option Show and you'll be able to see the password. Now after you enter the credentials, what you have to do is click on the login option that you can see on the screen and you'll be logged into your account. So that is how you log in Bask Bank account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.